To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. A three-chord wonder, that's called Gloria, Gloria. This is a song that was a big hit in the 60s, and then it's had a resurgence along the way. The original version, I believe, was done by a band called Them from England, and that was Van Morrison's band before he became, hugely known as a solo artist. He was in a band called Them. And this song was also made a hit that I know of, because I grew up in the Chicago area, by a band called The Shadows of Night. And they did a version of it too. So it's one of those songs that's had lots of different reincarnations. It's a three-chord wonder, as I mentioned before, is E, D, and A. Okay? And I'm gonna show you the rhythm, and the rhythm in the verse is pretty much the same as the chorus. It's just dynamically it changes, and I'll show you. So it starts out with just this. I'm gonna shout it all night. Gonna shout it every day. So that's the changes. E, D, A. Okay? And then dynamically they go down to a verse. You walking down my street and she knock upon my door. So it's one of those songs you can really have fun with. And the way I'm doing that is I'm palming, I'm muting down here. We've talked a little bit about muting, especially when you play slide guitar, it comes into play. But this one, you just take your hand like this. I'm playing with a pick, right? So rather than a full-throated, regular strum, which is, that's your strum pattern there. I don't write this stuff down because I think it's confusing to write it down. I think just watch how my hand goes, listen, and just check it out. Like a drum. Okay? And when you go into a verse, you just mute down, you kind of lock down on the strings. Same move, but see if I can, I'm locking down with my palm right here. Laying that across there. It takes a little practice, but this is something that's important for you to have in your arsenal, because when you want to come down in a verse or tighten up dynamically in a song, even though the chords are still the same, it sounds different. Check it out. See how I'm raking it? So it becomes kind of percussive. So I only mention that because it's, especially in this song, it's what differentiates the chorus sound, which is really big and swinging, and then it tightens down in the verse. Now I'm also going to show you as a special bonus, there's a cool little solo here, and every guitar player that grew up where I did knows this solo. So what it is you're going to take this E chord and you're going to go all the way up an octave. Okay? So it looks just like a regular E chord, but it's like a bar version, except you don't have to hit the full bar. Just hit the last four strings, which sounds like this. Okay? Okay, so there's your E. And then go back to a D. And then we're going to play an inversion of A. It's a D, in the Cage system, it's a D shape. Sorry, it's actually, yeah. A D shape. Or is that a C shape, Jason?
What's that?
Is that a C shape?
That's a C shape.
That's a D shape. Yeah.
No, it's C shape.
It's a C shape, yeah. A little confusing. So I'm glad I asked my Major Duomo over here, Jason. So that's the C shape, like, because the C is like this, right? So if you go all the way up here, that's an A in a C shape. So that was a complicated way of saying it's another inversion of A. But here's what it sounds like in practice. Sorry. Okay, so check this out. I'm hitting an E, and then a D, A, D. So it's that version. You kind of have to do it that way to get this. That's what makes it a solo. Okay, so that's the whole vibe of Gloria, Gloria. Originally by them, and then made hit in the United States by the Shadows of Night. Gloria, glow. Gonna shout on that. Gloria. Solo. So that's a little classic garage rock for you. Gloria, Gloria, and I'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!